Alright, we're going to continue multiplying, so we will be using foiling again, and we're also going to mention about some special products. So those special products are when you have the same numbers, a plus b and then a minus b, what you get when you FOIL things out is you actually do not get a middle term, so you just end up with a binomial. But if you have something like this, a plus b times a plus b, this is called a perfect square trinomial. So start using some of these terms because you're going to see them later anyways. This is considered a difference of squares. And then both of these are considered to be perfect square trinomials. So they just end up with the same thing being multiplied together. So we're going to do some of those special cases. This is one of them. Instead of using like rules or something, let's just go ahead and remember that t plus 6 squared really means t plus 6 times t plus 6. We're going to take the t and distribute it through. That's the first terms and the outer terms, or you can just think about distributing each of those. T times t is t squared. T times 6 is 6t. Then we're going to take and distribute the 6 through. Those are your inner and last terms. So we end up 6 times t, which is 6t, and 6 times 6, which is 36. Combine our like terms for t squared plus 12t plus 36. Again, we have a 5y plus 1 times a 5y plus 1. So I'll distribute the 5y through. 5y times 5y is 25y squared. 5y times 1 is 5y. Then I'm going to take my 1 and distribute it through. 1 times 5y is 5y, and 1 times 1 is 1. Combine my like terms, I get 25y squared plus 10y plus 1. Again, I'm going to rewrite 7m minus 2p times 7m minus 2p. So I'm going to take my 7m and distribute it to the second set of parentheses. 7 times 7 is 49. M times m is m squared. 7m times negative 2p. 7 times negative 2 is negative 14, and then I'll write mp. Now I'm going to distribute my negative 2 through. So I have a negative 2 times 7, which is a negative 14 mp. And then I have a negative 2p times a negative 2p, which would be negative 2 times negative 2, positive 4. P times p is p squared. So I end up getting 49 m squared. Negative 14 and negative 14 gives me negative 28 mp. And then I have plus 4p squared. Let's try another one. These are all perfect square trinomials in the end. I'll have 9c times 9c, and then 9c times, this is a negative 8. So 9c times 9c is 81c squared. 9c times negative 8 is a negative 72c. Now I'm going to take my negative 8 and distribute it through. So I have negative 8 times 9, which is negative 72c. And then negative 8 times negative 8, which is a positive 64. When I combine my like terms, 81c squared, negative 72 plus negative 72 is negative 144c plus 64.